Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope SM4 Trinocular Zoom Microscope is a remarkable instrument that stands out for its blend of versatility, clarity, and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals. With a magnification range of 3.5X to 180X, it allows users to observe a wide variety of specimens with exceptional detail. The zoom feature is particularly impressive, enabling smooth transitions through the magnification levels without the need to change objectives. One of the standout features of this microscope is its trinocular port, which allows for the attachment of a camera. This is invaluable for those interested in documenting their observations or conducting research, as it opens up the possibility for digital imaging. The optical quality is great. The lenses provide crisp images with good color fidelity, making it easy to discern intricate details in samples. The included 144 LED ring light is a game changer. It offers adjustable brightness, allowing users to illuminate samples effectively without causing glare. The even distribution of light enhances the viewing experience and ensures that details are not lost in shadows. Additionally, the light source is energy efficient and long-lasting, making it a practical choice for extended use. Ergonomics have not been overlooked in the design of the SM4. The adjustable height and angled eyepieces facilitate comfortable viewing, reducing strain during prolonged use. The sturdy construction ensures stability, preventing wobbling or shaking that can disrupt observations. One minor drawback is the weight. While the microscope's build ensures durability, it may be cumbersome for users who need a portable solution. However, this is a small price to pay for the quality and performance it offers. In summary, the AmScope SM4 Trinocular Zoom Microscope is an outstanding tool for anyone serious about microscopy. Its powerful zoom capabilities, excellent optics, and integrated lighting make it a top choice for educational purposes, research, and hobby projects alike.